Hello and welcome back. Today I've got some more products from the Royal Mint. I'm not quite sure why they came in two packages because I ordered them all together, but I'm really excited to see what these are. I know one of them is the silver-proof, what was it? Silver-proof D-Day landings. And I don't know what the rest is, but I did order the silver-proof Sherlock Holmes, which should be with me fairly soon. These I've had for a few days now. I just haven't had a chance to have a look at them. So we've got... I ordered some extra bits as well whilst I was on the site. So the Bunk Stephen Hawking, because I got the silver one, but I didn't get the Bunk one because I thought I'd get it whilst I was at the Royal Mint, and then when I was there they didn't have any. So that's one to add to my Bunk collection. But what I'm excited to have a look at is in here. There it is. So what other bits did I get? I couldn't help myself. This is why I shouldn't be allowed to order things early in the morning. I got a Beatrix Potter, Tale of Gloucester Bunk, a Bunk Flopsy Bunny, the Bunk Gruffalo, which I don't think I already have, the Bunk Mrs. Tittlemouse, the Bunk 28 Peter Rabbit, and there's the Bunk D-Day Landings, which is a very, very cool design. And it's a real shame that it's probably not going into circulation. But at least we know the Sherlock Holmes 50p is definitely going into circulation. So when I was at the Royal Mint, they said it was going in, and then they announced on the website that it's going into circulation as well. But this is what we're here to look at. What does it say? Operation Overload, file, top secret, D-Day, confidential. Neat packaging, I quite like that. So it says, on the 6th of June 1944, Allied forces landed more than 130,000 men on the Normandy beaches, the largest amphibious assault in military history. On the 75th anniversary of D-Day, we commemorate the campaign that decisively turned the tide of the war. So it's partnered with the Imperial War Museum, it looks like. Very cool. So, we've got a little pamphlet. Oh no, there's first page. These are always quite interesting. A little bit of extra information. Inflatable Sherman tank. So we've got all the beaches. I have been to some of the beaches before as well. When we were younger, we went to France, and part of the holiday was going there. So it was really quite spooky. I was quite young at the time, so I didn't completely appreciate it. But to look down at the beaches and the military installations and all the craters where they were bombed before the landings as well. Oh, that's pretty neat. Identity card. Oh, so this is the person who designed the design, for lack of a better term. There we go. I do think it's quite a shame that they come in these cases rather than like the 50p's come in those presentation ones, but nevertheless, behold. Right, let's put the light down a bit so we can really enjoy that coin. Wow. Oh, and it's got the names of the beaches on the arrows as well. I didn't realise that. Absolutely stunning. Wow. What number have we got as well? 118. Other rip-off merchant payday loan companies are available. There we go. So if we compare that to the Bunk one, there we go. This silver bug has really bitten me badly. They need to slow down the amount of silver coins that they're bringing out, because it is a bit all consuming at the moment. But I can't help myself. I see them, I think, oh, I've got to have it. But no, that's really cool. But let me know, are you going to get have you got the bunk one? Are you getting the silver proof one? I think the silver proof one was still available last time I checked on the Royal Mint website. The £2 don't seem to be as popular as the 50p's. Saying that, the Sherlock Holmes was still available. What's the day today? It's Monday today. So I don't know if this will be available tomorrow when this video goes up, but they were still available this evening. I think it was 75% reserved of the silver proof of the Sherlock Holmes. But yeah, looking forward to getting that one because that looks absolutely stunning as well. Well, all that leaves me to do now is thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.